The multi-output feature allows you to print multiple drawings at once and specify file names, reducing work time when saving as PDFs. Don't worry if you need to measure lines of different lengths. The object length measurement function allows you to measure all at once. There are two methods to calculate areas. You can select Calculate Area in the Query menu, or use the Calculate Individual Area option in the calculator. The Text Style Merge function helps manage multiple mixed text styles by consolidating them into a single style. Tables created in CAD can be organized neatly like in Excel. You can arrange them individually or select multiple objects to organize them at once. You can convert documented tables directly into CAD format for editing and modifications. Export tables created in CAD to Excel for convenient report preparation. Detailed usage methods can be checked in the Works manual.